this is a perfectly poached egg. And what you're now going to see is just how easy it is to achieve. All you need is a small frying pan, a draining spoon with little holes in it like this, and a wad of kitchen paper, and finally a timer. The key to success here is freshness, so remember the horizontal position in a glass and the plump yolk with its inner gelatinous circle of white. First, it's very important to fill the pan with no less than 2.5 centimetres of water. Straight from a boiling kettle, nothing else is needed, no salt, no vinegar, just water, and have the heat underneath quite gentle. What you now need to see is the merest trace of tiny bubbles beginning to form over the base of the pan, and no more than that. I think it helps too to break the eggs out into little bowls. Slip the eggs in from each bowl, one at a time. Then set the timer for 2 minutes and let the water just barely simmer. When the time is up, simply remove the pan and set the timer for 10 minutes. Baste the tops of the eggs with water and have a good look at this. It does look complete chaos, but just be patient, all will be well. When the time is up, gently lift each egg out of the water with a draining spoon. Let it drain for a few seconds. Then place the spoon on some kitchen paper to absorb any excess water. And there you have it, the perfect poached egg. Now just a little look at some recipes using poached eggs. The best brunch dish in the world, I think, is Eggs Benedict. A toasted muffin, then thinly sliced smoked ham. Pop a poached egg on top, add a little seasoning, and then a generous amount of foaming hollandaise. How to make the sauce? Just watch this space. This is a warm poached egg salad with frizzled smoked lardons of bacon and then a sizzling sherry vinegar dressing drizzled over just before serving. Now we're going to look at the best way to fry eggs. First, I want to show you this, because once again we're going to need fresh eggs. This is what happens when you use a stale egg. It just goes all over the place. So here I've got a frying pan, a slotted bendable kitchen slice, some kitchen paper and a tablespoon. Place the pan over a medium heat and add about half a tablespoon of flavourless oil, like ground nut oil, or even olive oil if you prefer it. Wait for the oil to heat up to a faint shimmer on the surface, like this. Now break the egg in, turning the heat down to low. I think fried eggs are quite a personal thing, but I like to cook the tops by tilting the pan and basting them. I also like to have little crispy, lacy edges. When it's done to your liking, with the yolk wobbly and the white just set, use a slice to lift it gently onto some kitchen paper so the excess fat just soaks away. What to eat them with? Silly question perhaps. Really good, crisply fried bacon. Another way to serve fried eggs is on a chorizo hash. This is sauté potatoes, chorizo and red peppers, onions and garlic, and some hot paprika. It's really good.